Barrett, and today I want to show you customer referrals in Dealer Admin. Let's get started. Both Refer a Friend and email campaign responses end up on the customer referrals page of Dealer Admin. Let's take a look at that now. On the side menu, select Customer Referrals. This page lists any email campaign or Refer a Friend responses you've received. Click the View button to view this referral. At the top, you'll see the name of the new customer who filled out this form. Below that, you'll see the referral type. This will either be the email campaign they responded to or Refer a Friend from Virtual Keypad app. Below that, you'll see their email and phone number so that you can contact them about this referral. Click OK. At any time, you can mark a referral as complete. This removes it from the list so you know you followed up on this referral. You can also receive automatic email notification when a new referral is received. Let's take a look at how to set that up. In the top right of the Customer Referrals page, select Settings. Here, you can enter up to 6 email addresses that will be notified when a new customer response is received. Simply type in an email and click Save. Now, when a Refer a Friend or email campaign response is received, your team will be automatically notified, which means they can follow up on this warm lead in a timely manner. Refer a Friend and email campaigns in Dealer Admin help you save time and money that you would otherwise be spending on expensive marketing campaigns and referral programs. In just a few clicks, you can send a high-quality marketing email or receive real-time customer referrals from your existing users. And that's customer referrals in Dealer Admin.